Ukrainian soldier took trophies from the bodies of the Ryazan paratroopers.
And Bulgarian RPG-7. Russian guess and maybe trophies of us, of our soldier, on RPG-7 Bulgarian, on our people.
On one of the areas of the front, the aerial reconnaissance of the battalion of the 103rd Brigade discovered how the occupiers were setting up new positions. The enemy planned to use the dugouts and firing positions to fire at the equipment and troops of the armed forces. Terrorist Gherkin Strelkov casually praises the Ukrainian army.
Враг не дурак. Враг воюет всерьез. И воюет достаточно профессионально. Более того, к сожалению, я вынужден еще раз подчеркнуть, враг воюет лучше с точки зрения командования, чем наше российское командование. Намного лучше.
The president of a country at war at a gas station in the east of Ukraine. No one has any doubts about doubles. People know their president.
Дякую за те, що ви у нас є. Підтримуємо в цих справах.
Давай.
А що так? Скажу, це потім руку мити не буде. Дуже вам вдячний.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.